Welcome to this essential guide on smartphone screen protection and back covers. We'll explore why these accessories are crucial for maintaining your device's longevity. Premium smartphone brands are removing accessories like chargers and earphones. This shrinking of the retail box is becoming a new standard. Smaller boxes offer significant environmental and logistical benefits. They allow 70% more phones per pallet, saving on global shipping costs and reducing millions of tons of e-waste. Modern phones feature tough Corning Gorilla Glass. However, materials like sand and keys can still cause scratches, compromising the integrity of the screen. Daily life poses threats to your device. Impacts can shatter screens, leading to repair costs that reach thousands of rupees. A screen guard prevents scratch damage. Tempered glass, in particular, absorbs drop impacts, protecting your screen and helping maintain your device's resale value. The cost is generally affordable. There are different types of screen protection. Tempered glass offers 9H hardness, best for drops. PET TPU films are very thin and best for basic scratches. Liquid glass is invisible and great for curved edges. Thick glass can alter the screen feel and slow down ultrasonic fingerprint sensors. Luckily, quality installation kits are available to help prevent air bubbles during application. A back cover cushions impacts and helps protect your camera lens. Additionally, it gives you a better grip, reducing the chance of drops. Reasons to use a back cover include drop protection, better grip, and cheap insurance. Reasons to skip: they can trap heat during heavy use and hide the phone's premium design. Your smartphone is a major investment. Accessories act as cheap insurance to protect your device. Take steps to safeguard your device today.